So sa ngayon, tinan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have one of the greatest blessings in reverse. We also have this one in easier way. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag kang masyadong mag-alala, focus ka lang sa work. Okay? At saka, I feel na yung iba sa inyo may dapat pa kayong matutunan bago ma-unlock itong blessing na parating. So, kaya pala hindi ma-unlock kasi baka may tao na, nangaagaw ng iyong kayamanan. Or may deceitful na tao sa paligid. So, yet a wonderful in reverse. We also have make a wish in reverse. I kinda feel like karma reading, honestly speaking. Okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag kang mag-alala, mag-focus ka sa work at hayaan mo yung mga tao na nagdulot ang downfall sa iyong buhay. Kasi, yun nga, yung mangyayari na mag-focus ka lang sa career at kapag nag-focus ka kay career, may mararating ka. Okay, so gusto sabihin din ng Panginoon na kaya in a stagnant energy yung blessing na parating kasi as of now, may ahas sa paligid na pumipigil ng iyong wish to come true at saka kung yung wonderful ay naka-reverse. Okay, kasi I really feel na para sa'yo itong fortune. So you have the fun in easier way and we also have this one here. So, we got this, magkadugtong to, cherish at ito. So, meron ng tao sa iyong buhay na actually mga aagaw ng fans or pwede rin na, gusto niya sa kanya lang yung attention. So, baka nangyayari dito, meron sanang promotion or pwede meron ka sanang mararating kagaya ng, let's say, inheritance, pero may sumasagabal ng inyong inheritance. Yun yung kinda feel ko na vibe dito. Okay? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag kang mag-alala, focus ka sa work. Kasi kung intindihin mo itong mga bagay-bagay na nasa behind the scenes, okay, lalo ka lang may stress, at baka dahil sa stress, mabitawan mo kung ano yung dapat mong i-focus. Kasi syempre, madedepress ka. Okay, but yet I feel here that you have to trust God to this. Kasi whether these people, like it or not, you will definitely achieve something. At wag kang masyado mag-focus, let's say, sa inheritance, promotion, kung ano man yan. Kasi guys, okay, to be honest with you, yung swerte, hindi lang sa promotion, hindi lang sa inheritance na makukuha. I feel here na gusto sana sabihin ng Panginoon na kaya mong magtrabaho, kaya mong mag-save ng pera, kaya mong mag-invest and so on, kaya mong palaguin kung ano man ang yaman mo nang hindi dumedepende sa ibang tao. Okay? While they are busy trying to steal what you should have. To be honest with you, I feel like they cannot break you down. Whatever you're building for yourself. Okay, kaya napapansin nyo kung sakali man may negosyo kayo ngayon, following work, kung ano man yan, doon kayo nag-glow. At hindi nila maalis yan. Kasi first of all, that thing is something that will give you the steps to achieve your goals and your dreams. At yun ang hindi nila alam. Kasi mga tao na ganito yung alam lang nila ay magnakaw para sila ay magkaroon ng money. Which is not good. Honestly. Kasi first of all, kung galing sa nakaw yung kanilang kayamanan, definitely mabilis din ang ubos ang pera sa kanila. While you, on the other hand, you work hard for your money and you're not actually, grabbing the money in the wrong things. So, kaya nangyayari yung work mo, yung money mo ay nag-grow. You get my point? At hindi madaling maalis kasi you work hard for it. I didn't steal anything. Wala ka nilamangan at so on. So, yun yung dapat nyong isipin na kung may mga tao man nagka-cloud ng inyong buhay, isipin mo lagi yung blessing mo sa ngayon. Huwag mo isipin masyado yung kinuha, whatever. Okay, kasi yung ito nasa behind the scenes. I feel na si God yung bahala doon. To be honest with you. So anyway, that's it guys with the reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation. And God bless all of you.